on today's episode, we are going to make a mixed matched set using the contents of this bag. Sit tight. Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi, and this, guys, this is my channel right here. Every single thing I've done for you on this channel, except for what I wore on my own hands, of course, because those get drilled off. These are all the nails I've done for you over the last 5 years. This is a little drawer, and it's just been steadily filling up. And as you can see, it's at capacity. There's no more room. So I had an idea that I thought would be pretty cool. One of the trends that have been going on for months are what everyone calls junk nails. And I thought what we would do as I transfer these nails into a storage bag, we would just grab a nail 5 times and then recreate those nails, but as a set together. So that's what we're going to do now. I feel like I want to pour these in here, but I'm not positive that's going to work. So let's make a mess together, right? Okay, it's doing better than I thought, honestly. And I didn't want to pick the nails straight from the drawer because it would be hard to get down there and pick up stuff that was from a long time ago, right? And guys, like I said, it's been 5 years, so I honestly don't know if I've kept every single nail that I created on the channel. But if it's not every single one, it's a lot of them. It's most of them. And honestly, I do think that it's every single one. Ooh, it barely fits in this bag, you guys. Barely fits in this bag. Oh, this is a card from a stuffed animal that I bought. I'll show it to you in a little bit. And if you like it, this is where you can buy them, assuming it's still a shop. I don't know. But anyway, here we are. This is the bag of nails. Honestly, I feel like this is even going to be hard. But I'm just going to mix these around a little bit. And with no advanced knowledge of what I want to do. I found a screw in there. There's a screw in there. I wonder what that came from. Anyway, let's start picking. I'm just going to shove my hand deep in there and just pull out one nail. Which one, guys? Which one? Oh my God! My instinct is right, so let's go left. Okay. Oh, this is actually 2 nails as well. Oh, there's that screw. Look at that, guys. See, the problem is I never took the sticky stuff off of them for the most part. You know what? Because I just did lime nails, I say we go with this. Glitter and black. Okay. That must have been for a set where I did long nails and short nails. If you guys would like me to go back to that, let me know. We can do that. Okay, let's stir again. I don't think you actually saw me picking on that one because I closed my eyes. I'm just going to make sure my hand is in there. We're going to grab out some nails. And what do we got here? Oh, we have a unicorn. I wonder if I still have those stickers. I have a stamp if I don't, so we'll figure it out. Okay. Let's go in for something else. Also, guys, if you like this fun little grab bag experiment, let me know, as we can do that, as you can tell, many, many more times. All right, let's grab out some nails. I'm not looking as I pick, right? Just pulling this apart. Okay, this is just a gemmed up nail, silver gemmed up nail. I think that goes really good with what we have so far. And full disclosure, guys, this is World of Warcraft expansion week. If you watched my last video, you probably know that. Let's pull these apart. Okay, I'm going to pick this one. I'm pretty sure I don't have that transfer foil, but we can find a stamp that would work since we're going to stamp anyway. And I've been loving my alcohol inks lately, so this is a good one to add. Anyway, it's World of Warcraft expansion week, the War Within. And I'm going to go deep. Grab something. Okay. It's hard to know which ones to let go. Okay, I know I don't have this. I know I don't have this. Wait, maybe I do. And honestly, if I don't have it, maybe I can recreate it hand style. I don't want to cheat, so there we go. Let me zip this bag up. I'm so glad all the nails fit in there. We're going to do this set on these nails. Oh, look at that, guys. That was stuck to my finger. Okay. All right, we're going to do this set. I'll figure out the way they're going to go. I don't know, I kind of like that. But they're going to be a little shorter than these longer ones because I'm out of long tips. So I need to purchase some. There you go. We are going to recreate this set as a junk nail set. And I might add some gems and stuff to it for funsies. We're going to mix it up a little bit and just do our best to recreate these in a cool way. Sit tight. Okay, let's go ahead and get started on this mixed matched set. I keep saying junk set. I really mean mixed matched. I mean, if we had added more stuff to it, we could have made it junky, and we can do that for sure. Definitely do some junk nails. But today is more of a mixed match situation. Now on that gray nail, I'm going to come in and do a bit of an ombre. This first layer, I'm not 100% happy with it, so we are going to come in with a second layer to make it more oomphy, and we'll get to that in a second. I'm just going to start with a black layer for that glitter nail. And now we're going to come in. I did a base coat on that, and so in that sticky layer, we're going to do the second go round of that ombre, and I decided to pull in a darker gray. I just felt like it needed a little something more. The other one's just all silver all the way down, silvery gray. But I wanted to mix it up a little bit with this, and so we're bringing it from darker all the way down to white, kind of a grayscale situation. And I ended up being really happy with this nail. It came out super cute. So if you read the community post, you know that the reason this video didn't come out sooner, it should have been Saturday's video. And then I did intend for it to be Tuesday's video, but it took me longer to get the edit done than I expected using this new program. Excuse me, my voice cracking a little bit there. This is a Modelones Chunky Glitter glitter gel. It's called Oscar's Skirt. It's so pretty. It's very hollow, very silver. We're going to do just one quick coat of this and make it super pretty. You don't want to go too thick because you could end up with some curing problems, but it was just perfect. I love that that glitter. Now I did have this is the exact same polish we used in that first one, but the sticker, I don't have that. I don't have that. And I did say unicorn sticker. It is a Pegasus. It's a Pegasus sticker, but I do have this plate. So we're going to use one of the unicorns from the plate. This is a cat eye gel, and I decided to just lean into the galaxy of it all by adding a little cat eye in there. It does sort of feel like a galaxy already because there was a star in there, and our Pegasus was flying. Okay, on these other two nails, we are going to start with a white base there, a white gel polish. Now back to our teal blue nail. We're going to go ahead and use this cute little unicorn and put him right where the Pegasus was, but on the other side. Okay, and we're going to use some stars from a Halloween plate that I had. Sorry, I realized as I was doing this voiceover that I screwed something up in the editing, or the program did. I don't know. So I'm going to have to go in and fix that, but it is what it is, right? I can't help it. I'm still learning. So we're doing a quick ombre on one of those white nails that you saw me paint. And I don't know exactly what colors I used for the nail that has that gold argyle down the side. So I decided to use this because it's what it made me think of. It's not as dark though as the other one. And we are just doing a quick, um, wow, brain just totally lost it right there. A sponge application. So that's that to me, that's the easiest way to do a quick ombre. You could go darker with this by adding even more layers. I just did 3, but you could definitely do more. So now whatever of this is hanging off the edge, you're going to want to clip that off. And then we're going to do a little top coat or base coat on that. And I'm going to do a base coat, then clip off the edges, and then I'm going to do a second base coat just to make sure that those edges are sealed up really nice. I don't want to just rely on the top coat to make that happen. So now we are coming in with a matte top coat here on this last white nail. And on that, we're going to use my homemade alcohol inks. These were so easy to make, you guys, with just some alcohol and markers. So if you think the alcohol inks are so expensive and you don't want to pay that, just make your own. They're so easy. I didn't even use expensive. Ooh, that's fuzzy. Sorry about that. I didn't even use expensive pens. I bought 99-cent store pens. So give me some love in the comments if you missed the 99-cent only store. Telling you what, I miss that store. I don't know why they closed. I suspect maybe some hedge fund shenanigans. And if that's the case, I'm going to be really mad because a lot of this community that I live in and other communities I've lived in really rely on that. And it's a shame. So this scraper I got a couple of different times with different stamping kits that I bought, or stamping plates that I bought, or even the stampers. And so I don't know who actually makes it, but it works as a stamping plate itself. And I thought, we don't have the transfer foil anymore that I used on that original nail. So I thought this would be a cute substitution, and I really do like it. So this is how they all came out, and we're going to add gems to these to really zhuzh them up and turn them into something a little more fabulous. And if not completely junk nails, at least semi-junk, right? Semi-junk nails. I think I like that, semi-junk nails. So we're just going to add some AB crystals to this one. I don't know who made these crystals because they were given to me. I was given just a jumble of crystals a couple years back from one of my daughter's oldest friends, and I have been putting them to good use. Let me tell you what, I've still got quite a few of them, but there's no way to know who made them. So sorry about that. Where I do know, I try to let you know, but you know what? The crystals are so easy to buy. So just buy glass or actual crystals and not plastic. That's all I'll say about that. So on this nail, I decided this real pretty green would be nice. These crystals also came from in that big bunch of crystals. So again, I don't know who made them, but that color is to die for. And I really love it with the pink and the gold. Now on this one, these milky ones came from, who made these, or who did I buy them from? I know who made them. I will find out and put it in the description so that you guys can get them if you want to. I got them on Amazon, and there's 4 different colors in the pack. There's green, blue, white, and pink, and they're all milky. You see in that we've got a few of the colors here, and they're just I really, really love them so much. The milkiness is right on point. So now that's all of our gem application. What we're going to do now is get everything cured and come in with a little top coat. That's right, it is top coat time. And look at that shine on that glitter. Now you do want to make sure that you do not cover up your gems. You will lose the crystal awesomeness from them. But make sure you butt up right to them because that's going to help keep them on. And just like that, just butt right up to them. I love this nail. I love that blue. When it's cold like this, it's more of a blue. When it is in the cold, because this is a color changing, then it's more of a green blue, or even just like a minty green, almost light, super light green. And this one, oh, I love that gold. I want to put that on my toes. Wouldn't that be so cute on your toes? Probably just the big toes, though. I don't have big nails. So this was where we started. That was our inspiration. And here is where we ended up. Guys, I love these as a mixed matched set. And there you can see the difference in the color of the color changing polish. I love color changing polish. It's just super fun. I think it's gorgeous. I need it to have a bigger moment. What do you think? Wouldn't it be nice to have a much bigger color changing moment? I know it was big like in the late 80s, early 90s. I think it should be big again. Guys, let me know what you think of this set in the comment section below. You know I love it so much that you come by and see me. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. We are going to see you for some shorts this week and another video this week. I don't know what yet, but on Saturday we will do something. So until then, you keep it glam. And I love you to pieces. Bye-bye.